Hello everyone, welcome to Gallery Teachers. My name is Melissa and I will host a workshop called Teaching Young Learners Through Storytelling. In this workshop, the participants will have a chance to learn how to expand storytelling into storytelling-based learning. The workshop will present a scaffolded designing of a storytelling lesson plan that relies on team-based instruction. This method includes steps such as pre-teaching, dramatization, practice, application, assessment, and follow-up. We will give special attention to pre-teaching that happens before storytelling and the activities during and after dramatization. You will also have a chance to learn about many examples and also see some videos, digital storytelling materials, and of course, hear practical advice on how to use storytelling as a basis for language acquisition.